Hello everyone, welcome to Happy Learning Tutorials. Hope you all are doing good. So today we are gonna learn about 5 M rules of leadership success and life transformation hacks. So what are these 5 M rules of leadership success and life transformation series? They are: number 1, be mindful; number 2, be magnanimous; number 3, become the master of your work, attain that mastery; number 4, be motivated; leader is always motivated; last but not least, be multi-talented in all spheres of life, right? To evolve as a leader. So coming back to the first point, which says be mindful. A leader is always mindful of each and every decision, each and every action, each and every communication. So always take those wise decisions and think twice before proceeding ahead. Analyze all the pros and the cons and be logical in your approach. Create your plans, create your strategies before going ahead with a big deal and cracking those projects or creating those big products, right? Be mindful in your approaches in dealing with people, with products, and be remarkable. Do it mindfully. Number 2, create your mark. Be magnanimous. Be so magnanimous and magnificent and generous to multiply your returns. Maintain and build that rapport to magnify the business engagements and ultimate sophistication with the clients. So they say half the battle is already won with your personality and the way you talk. So if you're in a profession where you need to deal with people and you face a lot of challenges, right? Build your personality to talk to them in a wise manner. Be so magnanimous and be so magnificent and charismatic, not only in your personality but in your actions, in your words, in your tone, in your subtle tones, in your subtle actions, in understanding. Lead with empathy and crack those deals or crack those negotiations or get those projects you were waiting for. Next, become the master of your destiny, become the master of your work, attain the mastery or the perfection, become the subject matter expert in your area of work to prosper as a leader. So master the art of communication, for an instance, just for an example, and perfection in simple solution, in finding simple solutions and developing a scalable platform solutions, enhancing access and engagements, right? So once you have built a simple solution, you can scale that solution to a master level, to a masterpiece. People don't even expect, right? So create that extraordinary and give your best. Next, always be motivated. I always lay emphasis. A leader is always motivated, right? Extremely motivated and highly energetic to deal with the existing challenges and work demands. Be highly innovative in your approaches in solving those problems. A leader is always highly motivated since a lot of people look up to you, right? So you are their role model. Next, to create that impact. Next is multi-talented. Always and consistently upgrade yourself and update with the latest technologies, latest affairs, latest products, the latest tools and technologies, and build multiple talents and skills across your domains and your technology, whether it is digital, whether it is audio, whether it is visual streams, in whatever sphere of life or whatever product you're working on. Attain the multiple skills to give those advices, to give those suggestions that people come up to you, right? So these are my 5 M's of leadership success and life transformation series. Be mindful, be magnanimous, be master, become the master, be motivated, build that multi-talented aura or the skill or the personality wherein you are multi-skilled to understand a lot of things, understand the problems, find those solutions readily available to give the suggestions when needed, or people approach you and look up to you to get those solutions, to get those breakthroughs, to get their problems solved, right? Become that efficient in your work and life. Hope you have a great day. And for more leadership insights, training, mentoring, and feedbacks and coaching, please Do connect with me and like, share, and subscribe. Have a nice day. See you later. Bye bye. Thanks.